Naik Cavite, the home of sports of kings, where racing is always at its best. Only one entry, standing strong. The favorite, Just Connection and Naga. Standing strong, moving forward now. Standing strong. The favorite, Just Connection, Naga. 1,300 meters is the distance. All set now, and the race on is standing strong from the outside. Green Garnet running by Daryl is entry number 1. This one is Golden Rule. Naga, Just Connection, and Jalapeno is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, Green Garnet. Just Connection pokes his nose from the outside. Just Connection, Green Garnet, standing strong, is racing third by about 2 lengths. Naga, and running by Daral, Golden Rune, Jalapeno, and inside the last 700, Just Connection, this time by a length and a half. Green Garnet in second. Naga standing strong on the outside by Daral, Golden Rune, Jalapeno also moving up. Another far turn, Just Connection by about 2 lengths. Green Garnet racing on the outside, standing strong. Naga in between runners, Golden Rule, Jalapeno racing towards the final turn. Just Connection. Naga is running by Daral, Jalapeno, and on the outside, standing strong. Just Connection by about 2 lengths. Naga in second. Jalapeno standing strong. Golden Rule and Green Garnet. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, number 5, Just Connection, and being trained by Mr. Atoy Sordan Jr., second. Naga, number 6, standing strong. Jalapeno, Gold.